Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Peaky Pops. Today I'll share tutorials of these cute planters. I've used old Chyawanprash containers, you can use any. Let's make it. First we'll paint the caps of the container using a dapper and acrylic white color. Then we'll remove the cover using paper cutter or scissors. Then we'll place the cap on the container and mark the ears. As first we are making the giraffe planter, I have painted the lid in yellow color. Then we'll cut the ears using scissors. It is very easy to cut the container. For making the horns of the giraffe, I have used popsicle sticks and pom-poms. I have pasted the same using hot glue gun. Then I have pasted the lid using hot glue gun like this and divided the face into half using a pen. You can do the same using pen or pencil. It becomes little easy if you may mark it before using the brush. Then using black acrylic color and brush, I have made the outline of the nose and the face like this. Then I have also outlined the ears so that they become more visible. Then I have pasted googly eyes using hot glue gun and made the eyelashes of our cute giraffe planter. I have used metallic brown color to make these random patches and the face of the giraffe. Similarly, we'll make these random abstract shapes on the container so that it completes a look. Also paint the ear of the giraffe. Don't forget to highlight the nose using black acrylic color. You can use any other color if you want. Our first planter is ready. Now we'll make our little cow planter. For this I have done the same. I have marked the horns on the container and then using scissors I have cut them. To make the ears I have used popsicle stick. Using the lid of the container you can mark on the popsicle stick and using scissors you can cut it. Like this. You need 2 of them. Then we'll paste it from behind and finally paste it on the container using hot glue gun like this. Then we'll paste big googly eyes on the lid. After pasting the eyes, we'll take black acrylic color and brush and start making cute fringe on our cow. Then we're making lashes, mouth and nose. You can also mark it using pencil beforehand so that it becomes easy. There you go. After doing this, highlight the horns using the same black acrylic color and using pink sketch pen you can just highlight the cheeks. Isn't she looking cute? Our cute little cow planter is almost ready. Then using a dapper and black acrylic color, we'll make these black patches on the container, which will complete the look, like this. I'm using a dabber, you can also use a brush or any other stamping tool. you go. Our second planter is also ready. For the third one, I'm using blue acrylic color and dabber to paint the entire container. This one is the elephant planter. For this, I've also painted the lid in blue color. To highlight the inner part of the ear, I have used pink metallic color and highlighted the ear like this. Then I've pasted the lid on the container. I've used big googly eyes and pasted them using hot glue gun. Like this. For making the trunk, I have used straw and pasted straw from inside from one end and left the other end open. It gives a base and strong bond. Like this, I have pasted the straw on the lid and our trunk is ready. Then I have highlighted the cheek using the same pink metallic color and a dabber. And I made the lashes using black acrylic color and brush. And to highlight the ears of the planter, I have used black acrylic color and outlined the ear. You can cut the length of the trunk as desired. To make our planter look more cute, I have used pink satin ribbon and made a small bow and pasted it on the ear. To make the bow, you just need to cut two parts of the ribbon and paste them like this. It is very easy to do. There you go, it's ready. Our third planter, which is the elephant one, is also ready. Now for the fourth one, which is our tiger planter, I have made the face similarly. For the whiskers, I have used pipe cleaner and then I have pasted them using hot glue gun. You have to bend them like this and paste them. If there is any question regarding it, you can just write a comment and I'll revert back. I have painted the entire container using the same yellow color and yellow orangish shade actually. Later, to make the stripes, I have used black acrylic color and just made random stripes like this. Isn't it looking nice? My daughter loves animals. In fact, her room is also in jungle theme. I'll keep them in her room. She loves them. All of us have Chyawanprash containers at home. Do try making them and share with me on my Instagram or Facebook account. Our fourth planter is also ready. You can keep them indoor or outdoor. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell and keep getting the updates of these easy DIYs. Thank you for watching.